Hi guys! So for today's video, I'll show naman kung paano mag-clean up ng inbox. So I manage some of my clients' inbox and hindi siya ganito kadami. So if you can see my inbox, it's around 2K. That's because I subscribe to newsletters ng mga tools um, para alam ko yung mga updates. This also have my subscription dun sa mga tools na ginagamit ko. And nagsusubscribe din ako sa newsletters ng mga potential clients, um, mga competitors ng clients ko, so I know what they do. Okay. So, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano madaling maglinis ng inbox. So, here, let's say from Klaviyo, this is one of the tools that I use. So, what you do is, um, copy nyo yung email, and then here from newsletter at Klaviyo, so magre-create na tayo ng filters. So you can opt to skip the inbox, so it means na hindi siya mapupunta sa inbox mo, it will go directly sa folders. And if kapag unread siya, you'll see na may unread or naka-bold yung folders or labels here. And then you can star it, you can create a new label. So I'll create a new label for Klaviyo, nest under tools, create, and then you can mark it as important. You can never send it to spam, and then you can choose categories if it's primary or updates or promotion. So I'll use updates because updates to ng mga tools. Newsletter, kasi newsletter at klaviyo.com. So I'll create a filter and also apply filter to matching conversation. So I'll create a filter. So lahat yan dapat mapupunta siya sa Klaviyo. So let's just wait. And then what you can do if you have someone access your inbox for management is, ayan na, meron na, may Klaviyo na dito. So napunta na dito yung mga Klaviyo stuff. So what you can do is assign to people. You can also create folders. Ayan. Gaya nito. Ayan. Andyan na siya sa tools and Klaviyo. You can also move it manually. The other thing you can do is to use stars. So, if someone is gumagamit or nag-access ng same inbox or same login, so currently we have yellow stars. So, let's say for admin yellow stars, you can still add more here. Just go to settings, see all settings, and then yan, may mga stars dito. So, drag the stars kung gusto nyo may red, kung yung red, dito warning, kung gusto nyo may green. So, ganyan. Yan din yung pagkakasunod-sunod nung pagsiset nyo. So, I'll save the changes. So, here, may yellow tayo, may red, may green. And then you can filter out, sabihin natin, with red star. Has red star. Sorry, dapat walang space. Yan. So, mafi-filter out niya siya. Ayun lang. So, that's how you can easily do the inbox management. And then, you can also archive the stuff here kung hindi nyo siya i-skip sa inbox. But, let's say, ito si Sarah. From Sarah Cannon, I'll create a filter. And then, kung hindi nyo to in-skip, kasi gusto nyo nakikita nyo lahat ng dumarating sa inbox nyo, also choose Sorry, promotions, updates. Okay, ito new label. Sarah Cano. Okay, filter ko. So, dahil hindi ko siya ni-skip sa inbox, nasa inbox pa rin siya. Yan. Okay, balik tayo. So, here, meron na siyang label. Then, what you can do is you can just archive it. If nakita nyo yung may label na siya. So, nandito pa rin naman siya. Kasi hindi siya mawawala. So, ayun lang. So, I hope that helps and see you on my next videos.